Yeah.
All right, here we go. We're moving into the kitchen. There is a unfinished half bathroom there. Potentially a door to the exterior, but there's a floor up and it's sided over. This is the kitchen area. So the bathroom's right behind that wall. See, we've got a place to plug the stove in. Do the refrigerator line there. Range hood is wired. We're getting probably a microwave range hood.
Yes, that's what we're saying.
Oh, yeah.
But then there's no closet in here, so if she has like a loft bed with her desk underneath and a huge closet,
Potentially we would want to jut this out to get a little more counter space, because maybe in between the two windows on this wall, because that is a little bit extra open area, but it leaves some dead space behind it, so we're not sure yet. But we don't have a whole lot of counter space. We want the cabinets to go all the way up to the ceiling. Looks like we may have an issue with that light. Maybe that's out far enough. We could get the cabinets to go around the window. The window isn't trimmed out, so I'm assuming that's what they were planning on doing anyway. Of course, the sink is right below the window, and we've got electrical for the under cabinet lights. Over here, I think the counter would go all the way up to those light switches, and then we're recording now, Robin. So then the cabinets would probably go up along that wall too, maybe. So get us a little extra cabinet space. The cabinets go all the way over probably to that switch, but we could definitely get rid of those. We could either move those switches, or we definitely don't need the phone connection there, so we could get rid of that for sure if that helps. Because we just want to do as much as we can to get extra cabinet and counter space in here, because it just seems a little small to us. That door straight back is probably going to be a pantry. There's a stairwell that goes off to the left over into that. We're going to have tile flooring in here. There we've got an access panel to the plumbing behind the refrigerator, and then we've got extra plumbing over here for an extra sink if we'd like to, but we don't necessarily want to put an extra sink in there. We got switches over here, but this would be definitely cabinets and counter, maybe not a sink. Cabinets up to the ceiling again. Again, hopefully that light is out far enough. They planned for that. And then here, this area over here, we think we would hopefully have enough space to get our dining room table in over here. But we may need to give at least out to the end of that window. Probably the end of that window would be big enough for the dining room table there. We'd probably put a ceiling fan there or something. I don't know if that space is usable at all. There.
But we don't want to just open it up and make one big